Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the link ready. Open the web page or app that contains it, then select the URL or link text. Use Ctrl+C or a two-finger tap and choose Copy to place it on the clipboard. This is faster than retyping and prevents errors. Once done, make sure the link is copied by briefly pasting into a Note app or the browser bar. Doing that verifies the full address and avoids truncated links when you move to the destination. Next, go to where you want the link to appear: an email, chat box, document, or web form. Click or tap to position the cursor exactly where the link should land. Positioning matters for formatting and readability. Then paste using Ctrl+V on the keyboard, a two-finger tap, and paste on the touchpad or the page's edit menu. You might want to add context text around the link so recipients know why they should click it. This improves clarity and trust. To finish, verify the link works. Open it in a new tab or click it from the destination to confirm it goes where expected. If the link gets unwanted formatting, switch to plain text paste or remove extra characters manually. If pasting fails, clear the clipboard by copying a short word or restart the Chrome browser or your Chromebook. This often resolves clipboard hangs. Lastly, if links still break, copy directly from the address bar to
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.